Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and installs. Sign into GeForce Now and Steam, and make sure they're in the same region so your library shows correctly. Once done, install the GeForce Now application on the device you'll stream from. This creates the link that lets Steam games launch in the cloud. Make sure Steam Guard is enabled on your Steam account and that the Steam desktop client is installed locally. These steps reduce auth errors when you link libraries. Now you'll connect Steam inside GeForce Now. Open the GeForce Now app and navigate to Settings, then Connections. Choose Steam and follow the authorization flow. You'll be forwarded to a Steam login page to grant access. This step lets GeForce Now read your own games and launch them on demand. Make sure you permit library access, and then wait for the sync to complete, because an incomplete sync means games won't appear in your GeForce Now list. To finish, pick a synced Steam game in GeForce Now and press play. GeForce Now will provision a cloud session and may open a Steam overlay to validate ownership. You should see the game stream start within a minute. If it doesn't, relink accounts and confirm Steam Guard codes are current. Also verify both services report the same region. A quick troubleshooting tip: sign out of both apps, reboot the device, then reauthorize Steam and GeForce Now to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.